Hey guys, Francesco with Fran-Mar Collision, family owned and operated business since 1981, located here at 111 Jude Avenue. When you're involved in an accident, you want to make sure that you're out of harm's way at this point and that you or anyone in your vehicle or the vehicle that you're involved with is not injured. And if they are, make sure you call 911 as soon as possible. After the accident, you're allowed to drive your vehicle if it is in fact drivable. You're allowed to park it on the street and figure out what needs to be done. If your car is getting towed, don't let the tow truck company hold your car hostage. You can dictate where your car goes, whether it's your home, or you can call us and we can have it towed here to our shop, 111 Jude Avenue. So when dealing with an insurance company, they'll want to deal with someone who's inexperienced, who's never been in an accident before. The insurance companies are in the business of making money. That's why you'll need someone like me, an expert, to help guide you through that process and make sure that we come to an agreed price that makes sense. We'll help you figure out your repairs and get you back on the road as soon as possible. Leave your car at Fran-Mar and your worries in the rear view.